Hello everybody, welcome to Aiza's classroom. First lesson I have brought for you is parts of speech. First, I'll tell you the meaning of parts of speech. I'm going to show you a very simple sentence. They go to college. This simple sentence contains four different words, and these four different words belong to four different parts of speech. Let's see. They is a pronoun, go is a verb, to is a preposition, college is a noun. This simple sentence tells us that we cannot make any sentence without using parts of speech. Let's see how many parts of speech do we have. There are total 8 main parts of speech. First one is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and the last one is interjection. Wow, only 8 are there, and these are very easy if you will pay attention. So, the number one is noun. I guess all of you have seen so many things around you, so many person like boy, girl, uncle, auntie, grandpa, mom, dad, your kids, maybe you have. All of these are known as noun. So, noun is a name of person, place, thing, or animal. For example, Hassan is a boy. Boy is a noun here. Aisha is afraid of cat. Cat is a noun here. I like to go to school. School is a noun here. They are reading a book. Book is a noun here. One more thing. Hassan and Aisha are also noun here because these are name of persons. So, let's read the definition again. Noun is name of person, place, thing or animal. Let's come to the next topic. The next topic is pronoun. Okay. For this, I will give you a small example. Uh, okay, I'll tell you a short story about a boy. The name of boy is Haris. Haris is very intelligent boy. Haris is an engineer. Haris is currently doing job in a prestigious organization. Haris always speaks truth. Haris respects his elders or elders as well. What is something weird in this paragraph? Oh yeah, I am repeating Haris, 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 Haris. But why? Can I use a word or this name by something else? Yes, I can change it by using the word he. Haris is an intelligent boy. He is doing job in a prestigious organization. He speaks truth and he respects his elders. It sounds better rather uttering a same word again and again, and that is a name especially. So pronoun is the part of speech that replaces a noun. For example, he, she, it, I, we, they, you, they are the pronouns. Haris is going to school. He likes class of mathematics. He is a brilliant student of class. He always speaks truth. So he is a pronoun here. Amna and Shiza are sisters. They live together. They enjoy parties. They are good fashion designers. They is a pronoun here. The next one is an adjective. Basically, adjective. It tells us the quality of a noun or it tells us more about a noun. Like, just recall the noun. Mm, what was noun? What was noun? Oh, yeah, noun is name of a thing. So, thing can be a bench, a dirty bench. I'm describing bench as dirty. So, dirty is an adjective. Man is a person and person is a noun. Noun, okay, so an old man. So, old is an adjective here. Adjective is a part of speech that tells us more about the noun. For example, I have a round table. So, round, what is round? A table, and table is a noun. So, we are telling more about table. The table is round. It is a blue pencil. What is the color of pencil? Blue. Omar is an active boy. How is Omar? He is an active boy. Rida lives in a big house. Have you seen Rida's house? How is it? Oh, it is big, ma'am. Okay. Let's come to the next topic. Verb. Verb is a part of speech that shows an action, like walking, running, sleeping, crying, smiling, listening. As you are listening to me right now, so you are doing an action and you are watching my video. So watching is also an action. And what am I doing? Oh, I am recording the lesson. So recording is a verb because it is an action. And I am speaking as well. So speaking is also an action. We have examples as well. Alicia is crying. Crying is a verb. Dog is barking. Barking is a verb. They are going to school. Going is a verb. You should always speak truth. So speak is a verb. What is verb? Is a part of speech that shows an action. So what we call the word that tells us more about a verb? We call that verb adverb. We call that word adverb. Adverb is a part of speech that tells more about a verb. For example, my mother cooks meal quickly. Wow. First, your mother cooks meal. It's very good. How does she cook? She cook quickly. So quickly is an adverb. My teacher teach nicely. Nicely is an adverb. For example, Sonia completes her work quickly. Very good, Sonia. My father came home early. Yay! My father came home early. Early is an adverb here. They run fast. Fast is also an adverb. They run is a complete sentence. But how do they run? They run fast. So fast is an adverb here. The next topic we have is preposition. Preposition, as its name shows, it shows the position, it shows the time, it can show the dimension of anything. The word which shows time, dimension, direction, position is known as preposition. Let's see. Preposition is the part of speech that shows location, direction, time, or position. For example, we went to restaurant on Monday. Where did you go? To restaurant. When? On Monday. Okay, so to and on are preposition here. The train is passing through the tunnel. From where the train is passing? Through the tunnel. It is telling us about the location of the train. I am writing on board. On which I am writing? On board. It is telling the position, and this is known as preposition. We have seen here three prepositions: to, through, and on. Let's move to the next topic, that is conjunction. Conjunction. Conjunction is a part of speech that joins group of words or sentences. Oh wow, we have conjunction in this sentence as well. Can you find out? Okay, I think you will find out after viewing the examples of conjunction. Let's see. For example, I like ice cream and cold coffee. Oh, it is joining something? Yes, it is joining two different meals, ice cream and cold coffee. The sky is cloudy, but it is not raining. Joining two sentences. Okay, good. What is joining two sentences in the sentence number 2? But. You can have an ice cream or smoothie. Or is a conjunction here. Okay. Have you seen something? I have used twice the word ice cream in this topic because I love ice cream. I hope you do love as well. So the next topic and the last topic is interjection. I have used many interjections already in my video. Let's see what is the meaning of interjection. Interjection is part of speech that is used to express emotions like alas, we have lost the match. Alas, we have lost the match. They are getting sad. So alas is an interjection here that is expressing the emotion of the person who have lost the match. Oops, I forgot to switch off the stove. Oops. The parents will definitely ask, why have you forgotten to switch off the stove, baby? Yahoo! I have got the highest marks in mathematics. That's good. Yahoo! Okay. And one more thing. The video is lesson is actually not the video. The lesson is finished here. So I don't know, you will say, yay, the lesson is finished. Or you will say, oh, the lesson is finished. Please let me know, have you liked my lesson? And don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will have a detailed lesson on the topic noun inshallah in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.